Bonjour doudou mwen. Jodi mwen kay pale about se YouTuber ki ka encourage mwen pou profite chive mwen pou fay belle. Hey guys, I am back with another video and this one will be short hopefully because I'll just be mentioning some YouTubers. Are all of them YouTubers? My 10 favorite YouTubers or hair inspirations on social media that encourage me to keep growing my hair, who encouraged me the first time around and also this time. When I've lost motivation to continue working with my hair, these are the people I look to and I decide, okay girl, you can do this thing, let's keep growing so that we'll have some long flowy tresses. If you need any inspirations, hopefully you can take these people and they will serve as your inspirations as well. Or if you have any inspirations, leave them down below. Let me check out who your inspirations are. Let me see if I can borrow one or two so that I will be even more motivated to grow these tresses to bra strap length. Yes, they are in no particular order. And these naturals happen to be in the 4B, 4C category because that is the hair type that I have. And just personally, as a point of preference, I love to look at people who have achieved what I want to achieve. I know it's a little more difficult for persons in the 4B, 4C category to grow hair and to retain length. So I tend to look at persons who've been successful in these categories. So my number one inspiration, and this is the person who inspired me to do this video in the first place, is Desiree Venn Frederic. I think she goes by the handle XODVF on YouTube. However, I checked last night, guys, and sadly, none of Desiree's videos are viewable to the public anymore. So I can't find any of her videos. I can't see her videos. I don't know if she's deleted them. When I want to grow my hair, I go to Desiree's Instagram page and I'm like, yes honey, yes, I'm going to do this. The next person is somebody I actually just recently discovered, like probably about 2 days ago, and I think she goes by the handle, I actually don't even know her real name. She goes by the handle Craving Kinks on YouTube. She was suggested to me and I love her hair, so I don't even need to hear what she's saying. I just need to look at that hair and envision myself with these tresses again. Can you guys tell that I am excited to grow my hair again? Number 3 is an inspiration from old. She doesn't post as much on Instagram these days, but I still follow her on Instagram. And I think she was on YouTube for a brief stint. Her name is Tori. I can't remember what her handle is. I'll add her and her handle somewhere there. Tori is still a source of inspiration for me. Again, I have saved some of Tori's pictures. And whenever I feel demotivated about growing my hair, I look to Tori's pictures and I'm like, yes, boo, your hair can look fabulous. Number 4 is my girl, Geri GeraldinetheGreat. That is her name on YouTube and I am going to put it on the screen as well. Geri sadly doesn't post as often anymore. Geri, where are you, girl? You need to come back on and we miss you. But Geri's hair is the truest 4C texture and she's done beautiful things with it. She styles it beautifully and she is just a gorgeous chocolate melanin sister, so check Geri out. Next person is somebody who again is one of the original inspirations for me, and she goes by Neffe on Instagram, but she's on YouTube she's Fusion of Cultures. So I love Fusion of Cultures hair. I love the styles, I love her updos, and she just inspires me to be confident with updos because like I told you guys, I love to wear my hair out. I feel most beautiful when my hair is out, and Fusion of Cultures shows me that you can do updos and look cute. Somebody else that I love who inspires me is Asha Downes, and she goes by Naturally High Hair on YouTube. And again, Asha was one of the original people who encouraged me or who made me feel like my hair can grow. I can undertake this journey and be successful at it because Asha is she has roots in the Caribbean, and so it just felt a little more close to home that I can do this. Somebody else is the Nappyhead jojoba. The only thing with the Nappyhead jojoba is that she doesn't show her hair out as much. She wears a lot of buns and protective styles. But when she does show her hair, oh my goodness, her hair is fabulous. Okay, somebody else is one of the originals for me, and that is Ambrosia Malbrough. Ambrosia is bae. I've been watching Ambrosia for years upon years upon years. Ambrosia influenced my style. Ambrosia influenced me being on YouTube. And she has done a second big chop and her hair is thriving again. So I love Ambrosia. Number 9 is somebody who no longer makes YouTube videos. At least not in this season. She has not made a video since about a year ago, I think. And she has a beautiful hair. She inspires me because she has a very minimalistic style. She does not use very many products. She does not use very many mainstream products at all. Very do-it-yourself, hands-on, homemade stuff. And her name on YouTube is JoStyling. And my final person is somebody on YouTube, and she kind of said that she would stop making a lot of natural hair videos because she's done a lot of those. And I totally understand that you sometimes run out of content if you're just a natural hair content creator. But I recently saw that she posted something new, so I'm hoping that she'll be posting intermittently about her hair. And her name on YouTube is Christina Morris. She's very simplistic in her styling, and she just is a very free person in terms of her hair. So these are my 10 hair inspirations. I can think of so many more people that I love, but these are the people I go to if I need inspiration or if I need motivation to style, if I need motivation to just keep my hair on my head and not cut it because I have the cutting itch sometimes. So yes, these are the people who remind me that all hair types can grow, especially 4C, 4B, 4C hair types if you're looking to grow your hair. So if you need inspiration, you can borrow from my motivators. And don't forget to tell me who you look to for inspiration when you're looking to grow your hair or to style your hair. Don't forget to like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe either, guys. As I mentioned, I'll be making new videos for the first week in January every single day. And some of you have been asking about my faux locks. That video is coming up, so look out for it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.